Okay, we stirred. We mixed. Mix is stir. Now we're doing put the butter on the pan. Is that good, Mom?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, now.
Now pour the batter into the pan. This is batter. We're making 2 pancakes, Mom.
Yeah.
I'll do 1. That's good. That's good.
No, that's
That's 1. And then that looks like eyes.
Yeah.
And make all of it. Make it big as you can.
Okay, wait.
Until all of it's done. Yeah, make more on there. And more on there. I think that's bigger than the other one, Mom.
Yeah.
Would you like a pancake?
No, thanks.
Okay. Mom, look, it looks like 2 eyeballs.
Yeah.
2 giant eyeballs.
You wait until?
Until what? I'm getting my spatula ready. Oh, I'm thirsty still. Okay, now we're just waiting for it.
You wait until it's?
Until it's smoking.
It bubbles.
Yeah, it bubbled. Is it even on?
Yeah.
Why is it not bubbling?
Because you have to wait.
It's peaceful. What is this cooking? I thought it was noisy.
This one?
Yeah, that's noisy. I think that might produce the bubbles.
It's exhaust.
Exhaust, guys. If you have this, please turn on the exhaust.
So that the house will not be stinky.
Yes, not be stinky like my pants. Ew, that's pig. Can I try now?
And the check. Talk to your friends.
Hi guys, if we are going to be done, we can have one.
What are you good with your cupcake?
We're going to put maple syrup and chocolate. Nutella.
Nutella.
Yes.
Is that your favorite?
Yep. It looks like it's bubbling now.
Yeah.
Can I give you the hand?
You try it. Just a little, okay?
Can you turn that around
Why?
from this side? Thanks. That's good. That's good. Excuse me.
Oh, see? It's not ready. Yeah, we should wait until like this sits.
I made a mistake.
Okay.
Can I rub it on there?
No.
What do I do?
Okay.
Lick it?
Yeah.
Mmm. That's good. That's good. You accidentally did that, Mom. Guys, we have a sim spin here. Me? I don't want to touch the hotness.